Hi friends, now we are going to discuss about the mechanism of nucleophilic addition reaction. So the topic is nucleophilic addition reaction. But it is mechanism. So topic is the mechanism of nucleophilic addition reaction. So we all know that carbon and oxygen having double bond, carbon is partial positive and oxygen is partial negative, and its structure is the planar and bond is the polar. So we can clearly see that nucleophile is the negative ion and it will be attracted towards the positive ion or positive charged carbon above the plane or below the plane. So there will be one new bond will form between carbon and nucleophile. Before new bond form, carbon having sp2 hybridization. So we can see the figure, carbon and oxygen having double bond. This is the planar structure of carbon and oxygen. Carbon is partial positive, oxygen is partial negative. Nucleophile, which is negative ion, will attack on positive charged carbon. Here carbon and oxygen having double bond, so carbon is sp2 hybridized. Now we are having intermediate product, that is tetrahedral, and it is alkoxide ion. So sp2 hybridized carbon will convert into sp3. How it is done? So it is reversible reaction and it is slow reaction. Slow and reversible reaction, and it is rate determining reaction. Rate determining reaction. What will happen? Then we are having new bond between carbon and nucleophile. So there will form a new bond between carbon and nucleophile. And now it is tetrahedral shape of alkoxide ion and it is intermediate. This is A, this is B, this is A, B, and here is the oxygen. Pi bond of oxygen will attracted towards the oxygen and oxygen will pushed out from the plane. So this is new bond form between carbon and nucleophile. Here is carbon and oxygen having double bond. Here carbon and oxygen having single bond, and it is tetrahedral shape and it is intermediate product. So here carbon will convert into sp3 hybridization. In book directly said that the carbon is now sp3 hybridized, we will confused. But when we clearly understand that the nucleophile is forming bond with the carbon, so carbon having tetrahedral shape and carbon now it is converted into sp3 hybridization from sp2 hybridization. Now third step will what? Then this reaction is also reversible reaction, and this reaction is done in weak acidic medium this is fast reaction, and from acidic medium hydrogen will be attracted towards the oxygen, and we are having now neutral product. And neutral product is now, it is clear that here is the nucleophile Nu, here is the carbon, here is A, here is B, and here is the OH. So now it is neutral product we have obtained, and this mechanism is in 3 steps. In first step, there will be the attacking step of nucleophile on partial positive carbon. It is slow, it is rate determining reaction or rate determining step. Then we are having the tetrahedral alkoxide ion, which is most important because in this reaction, in this step, carbon and oxygen having double bond, so carbon is sp2 hybridized. Here new bond is formed between nucleophile and carbon is converted into sp3 hybridized, and it is alkoxide ion. Then after it is done in weak acidic medium, from acidic medium H positive ion will be attracted towards the oxygen, and now we are having the final neutral product. That is the mechanism of nucleophilic addition reaction. You can easily understand. You just repeat this video lecture twice and thrice. I am very sure that you can write yourself after hearing my or after watching my video lecture. Thank you very much.